2309 Colleen Circle, Marietta, Georgia, Lioness Roofing. Date February 20th, 2026. Missing shingle tab right here. Before we begin, I'm going to make a note here about granular loss condition. So we're just brushing off the debris and also seeing if any granulars are coming off at this stage. Not seeing anything, using a bristle brush. This is our control square. Okay, so we see that this roof is a little older. There's a little bit of some granule loss happening even when we brush it with a soft brush. Just a little bit though, not a ton. Nail right here. We don't need to get that. Our shingle is going to be right in here. Nail right there. Nail right there. Nail right here and a nail right here. Looks like just one nail there. Nail right there. See a nail, but there should be one there. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and start pulling the nails out. One nail. Two nails. This is number 4C. I'm going to mark it with a T. So we have a T for tear. Have another tear right here. Shingle tore right here. And it seems like there is another fastener I didn't find over here. Don't see it anywhere. It's right here, I guess. And there's still another fastener holding it down somewhere. Okay, so there was two hidden fasteners. Seems like they were nailing these, yeah. Not just in the nail line. So there's hidden fasteners. Got two more. That one was extracted from right here, and this one was like right there. Super odd place to pull it. Our shingle right here. Make note here. So there's 3 tears in this repair so far. First one's right here. This shingle tore. This is 4C. This one is 6C. So it tore right here. You see that right there, that nail, and then this one right here, this nail hole, it tore as well. So now I'm going to try to slide in our new shingle. So that was with the nail gun. I do think the shingles are a little bit too old to repair, so also I'm going to try a hammer Okay, so that was with the hammer. Now we go back to our control square. And now we hit 7. You can see there's a lot of granules now. There's a crease. So this right here, shingle's crease now. The shingle's also creased right here. This shingle has a big crease in it right here. And oh yeah, look at all those granules coming off now. Big crease right here. You can see it right here. It's definitely formed a bigger crease. Look at all those granules coming off. Every single shingle that we've touched to actually manipulate to get a shingle, to get a nail in the shingle is damaged now. We have creases right here. Creases right here. Creases right here. Crease right here. Lots of granular loss, creasing. So if it was just a granular loss, I think we'd be fine. However, the creasing is what breaks these fiberglass matte shingles. And so we have 7 broken shingles now. We have 3 tears, no pull-throughs, and no material transfer. So this definitely failed.